said, should I give my crackers to the women in the Chanel store? I mean, I was so unprepared for how sophisticated Shanghai was.
I'm excited for the food.
Hi there, it's Weiran. Today I'm at the stunning North Bund area in Shanghai. This place is not just known for its breathtaking skyline views, but it's also a popular docking spot for international cruise ships like this.
And I'm here today to chat with some international tourists who have just got off the ship and are going to spend the next 4 days here in China.
I'm really excited just to meet some local people, tour around, enjoy some food, and just experience a new culture.
I think I'm mainly going to stick around the city. I know I'm going to one of the villages on the water. I'm not sure of the name specifically.
I'm excited to try the food. What's your fave? What's your recommendation?
Do you enjoy dumplings?
Yeah.
We have a fried dumpling here.
Okay.
In Shanghai, unique. It's called
Chongqian. Yeah. I'm excited for the food.
Yeah, we've looked up restaurants. Soup dumplings. Xiaolongbao.
Places famous for that?
We're
Already done some research.
yeah, we're going to Jiajia Tangbao. Yes.
The fried dumplings. How about that? Have you tried that before in the States?
Not as good.
I've been here about 4 times.
4 times.
Yeah.
You're a veteran.
Yeah, and every time I come here, it's very different, Shanghai. I'll have to tell you, the first time I came to Shanghai, that was maybe 20 years ago, and I had heard stories from people about their first trips to China, which were maybe in the 1980s, when things were much different here. So I came with peanut butter and all kinds of crackers and things to eat. Then I came here and saw how sophisticated everything was. And I said, should I give my crackers to the women in the Chanel store? I mean, I was so unprepared for how sophisticated Shanghai was. Yeah, and it's a great place to shop. Yeah.
I specifically introduced the mobile payment in Shanghai or in China, and I even taught them a very useful Chinese is you scan me or I scan you. Oh yes, of course, especially after we involved more and more countries to be visa exempted to China, which is a great news for our travel agents or the ground operators. The cruise passengers also benefit from the 15 days visa-free policy. So I believe there will be more and more tourists from abroad to coming to visit China in the future.
As more global tourists are coming to China, we want to make sure your visit here is as smooth as possible. So we've got you covered with everything from bike sharing to mobile payments and emergency treatment. Check them out on City News Service if you want to navigate China like a local. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.